So this is the question we're going to do on decimals, ratios, percents, and fractions. So you can add the and fractions onto your work page. Example 1. A mixture of paint consists of 2 parts white, 1 part red, 3 parts yellow, and 4 parts blue. And we're going to answer all these questions. So, question A. Write the ratio. Ratio means numbers, like 3 separated by 2 dots, 2, and however many entries you want. So, of yellow to blue to white to red to total. So we want yellow to blue to white to red to total. So, yellow is 3 parts, blue is 4 parts, white is 2 parts, red is 1 part, and the total, well, you have to add up. 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 2 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So your total is 10. Part B, write the ratio of red to blue to yellow to white. So they're changing the order on us, and they're not asking us for a total here at all. So, red to blue to yellow to white. 1 part red, 4 parts blue, yellow, 3 parts yellow, and white, 2 parts white. And that's our answer. C, write the fraction of yellow to blue. So they want yellow to blue, but they want it as a fraction. So yellow is 3, blue is 4, and there's our fraction. Write the fraction of blue to total. So they want blue over total. I believe our total was 10. And blue is 4 parts blue. We got the total from the part A, or you could just add them all up again. 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. Write the percent, so this is percent, of blue in the paint. So if you want the percentage of blue that's in the paint, start with the fraction of blue over total. So it's 4 parts blue over a total of 10. Then you turn a fraction into a decimal by doing top number divided by bottom number. You don't have to show this step. So on your calculator, you do 4 divided by 10, and you get 0.4. Now remember, I like you to have 2 numbers after the decimal. That's useful here because you can easily see this would be 40%, or you can multiply it by 100 to get the percent. 40%. So you can multiply by 100 to get the percentage. F, a mixture, okay, write the decimal of how much, so decimal of how much red is in the paint. So we want red over total in the fraction. 1 part red over the total, which was 10. 1 divided by 10 is 0.1. Remember, 2 numbers after the decimal. Oh, they just want the decimal. They don't want the percent, so that's our answer. You should always circle your final answers. Oh, now, to get really good marks, you should always, if your final answer is a fraction, you should reduce it. So you find a number that both of these, the denominator and the numerator, will divide by. 4 divides by 2 nicely, 10 divides by 2 nicely, 4 divided by 2 is 2, 10 divided by 2 is 5. So the really good answer is 2/5, but I just asked for a fraction, so I'd probably mark that correct also. Final answer, final answer, final answer, If there are 12 parts blue, then how many yellow parts are included? Okay, well, we're told we have 4 parts blue. So let's set up our original ratio again. So we had white, red, yellow, blue, and it's always useful to have total at the end. So white was 2, red was 1, 3 parts yellow, 4 parts blue, and a total of 10. Now they're telling us if this relationship holds, if there are 12 parts blue. So they're saying the blue is not 4, it is 12. Then how many yellow parts are included? So how do we turn 4 into 12? You multiply by 3. If you can't figure that out, you can do big number divided by little number, which gives you 3. So if you multiply 4 times 3, you get 12. So to hold the relationship consistent, you multiply 3 times 3 to get 9. So how many yellow parts are there? Therefore, 9 parts yellow. I don't have room to do a complete sentence. Or you could have just circled the 9, I guess. That indicates that's your final answer. I'd probably mark that correct. Okay, a mixture of paint. If there are 18 parts white, then how much paint is there in the total? So once again, we have white, red, yellow, blue, total. And we had 2 parts white, 1 part red, 3 parts yellow, 4 parts blue, and our total was 10. 18 parts are white. So they're saying white is 18, then how much paint is there in total? So they want this number when white is 18. So what do we multiply 2 by to get 18? That is 2 times 9 is 18, or you could do 18 divided by 2 gives us 9. So 2 times 9 is 18, so 10 times 9 is 90. So how much paint is there in total? Total 90 parts of paint. Now one more thing here. This number that you're multiplying by, sometimes that is called your K value, which is your constant of proportionality. When you're holding a relationship to be constant, you're keeping the same relationship, but you're just doubling everything or tripling everything or quadrupling everything or dividing everything in half. You're either making the whole relationship larger or smaller. That K is called your constant of proportionality. So if they ask you for your constant of proportionality, you're looking for a K value. That will hold the relationship constant if you multiply every entry times that number. And that is our final.